So let's solve this question. So 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 8 to the power x is equal to 150. I'm just rewriting. We need to find the value of this. Okay. Now if we say that, let's assume that 2 to the power x is equal to t. So this will become 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2. 4 can be written as this, plus 8 can be written as this, right? There's no change, so 2 to the power, we can rearrange it again, 2 to the power x plus this can be written as 2 to the power x square. It's the same, right? You see the value 2x, here also 2x, so we are just rearranging it. Plus 2 to the power x cube is equal to 150. Now this equation, as we are assuming this 2 to the power x is equal to t, so we can say t plus t square plus t cube is equal to 150. Let's rewrite this again. So this t cube plus t square plus t minus 150 is equal to 0. Now since this is a cubic equation, so we have to write 150 in such a way that it should be a cube of certain number, it should be square of certain number, and the summation of some number will make 150. So we can write t cube plus t square plus t, and you can write this 125 plus 25 plus 5, right? Why I have done, I have already explained. This will become a 5 cube, this becomes a 5 square, and this is 5, correct? So we can simply rearrange it. So t cube minus 5 cube, because this is whole minus, so plus t square minus 5 square plus t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now t minus 5, this can be rewritten as t minus 3. This is a cube, a cube minus b cube formula you apply here. So t square plus 5 square plus 5t. Okay, this is a square minus b square formula plus t plus 5 t minus 5, okay, plus t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now t minus 5 I can take a common, so what is left inside is t square plus 25 plus 5t, this is in one bracket, plus I have taken a common of t minus 5, so here we are only left with t plus 5, and this is what is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write t minus 5, we need to simplify this, so t square plus 5t plus 25 plus t plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So t minus 5, this you can see 5t plus 1t is 6t, so t square plus 6t, and then 25 plus 5 plus 1 is 31. So from this we can say t minus 5 is equal to 0, or t square plus 6t plus 31 is equal to 0. So if you take this equation, so t is equal to 5, and if you take this, so t value will become, this is a quadratic equation, so minus 6 plus minus under root b square is 6 square, so that become a 36 minus 4, a is 1, and then c is 31, divided by 2, a is 1. So if you simplify it further, so minus 6 plus minus this value 36 minus, if you multiply 4 into 31, so this is going to become 124 divided by 2. So that means minus 6 plus minus, this value become negative, okay? So negative, whatever negative value is, this quadratic equation t will not have a real root, so no real solution from this part. Now let's solve this. So what was the t? T was 2 to the power x, right? So 2 to the power x is equal to 5. Let's solve it. How will you solve this equation? So we'll take a log on both sides. So x log 2 is equal to log 5. So x is equal to log 5 divided by log 2. So this is the value of the x. Now you can simplify it further. Just apply a log rule, where log base change rule. So log, say for example, log 5 base 2. So this is the value of x. And log change rule is what? If you are taking log 10 and this is 5, and if it is a log 2 base 10, you can simply write as log 5 base 2. So that is where I have changed base with the 2. Whatever is denominator, that become a base. So this is the solution of x, and this is how we solve this kind of equation. Thank you very much.